In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut to modify your voice clips with different audio effects. CapCut is a powerful video editing tool that's perfect for adding a professional touch to your projects. And today, we'll focus on transforming your voiceovers. First, make sure you have CapCut open on your device. Once you're in, you'll want to start a new project. Initiating a fresh project is simple. Just select the option to create a new one, and it'll bring up a blank timeline ready for all your creative ideas. This space is where all the magic happens, so get comfortable navigating through its features. Now let's find the voice clip or the particular audio you wish to modify. Click on it to highlight. This tells CapCut that it's the piece of audio you want to work on, and it will prepare the related editing tools for you. Selecting your audio is essential, as it enables you to make specific enhancements and adjustments without changing any other part of your project. Once you've selected your clip or audio, direct your attention to the right-hand panel of the interface. Here you'll notice a tab labeled Audio. Click on that tab. It's your gateway to modifying and tailoring your sound. The Audio tab hosts a variety of options, giving you the ability to alter the auditory elements of your project in nuanced ways. As you delve into the Audio tab, focus on finding the section marked Voice Effects. This is the fun part of our tutorial. The Voice Effects section allows you to experiment with various pre-designed audio effects that can significantly change how your voice sounds in the project. The assortment here can add a dynamic quality to your work, offering a range of creative possibilities. Within voice effects, you'll encounter various presets like deep, high, and robot, among others. Each of these effects can transform the ambience of your voice clip, and choosing the right one can dramatically shift the tone and mood of your project. Take a moment to explore these options. Listen to each effect by selecting them, so you can find the one that best matches your artistic vision. Finally, once you've decided on an effect, simply click to apply it. CapCut allows you to preview the new voice tone, which is an ideal way to confirm whether the effect meets your needs before finalizing it. This step ensures that the auditory atmosphere you've created aligns with your overall project objectives. And that's it. With this tutorial, you now know how to use CapCut to modify voice clips through a selection of intriguing audio effects. Remember, experimenting with different sounds can really elevate your video projects. So take some time to play around, and soon enough, you'll be a pro at enhancing your audio elements with CapCut.